Nandito po kami sa Barangay Banao, sa may Zone 7. Hirap po ang tubig dito. And pasalamat po kami kay VP Lenny at binigyan po kami ng mga potable water. Kinuha po sa Manila. At ngayon po bawat household bibigyan po natin ng 4 na 1.5 liters. Ngayon po magdi-distribute kami, mag-house to house po kami. So, ito po. Manoy. Yan. Office of the Vice President. Maraming salamat po, VP Lenny, from Mayor Madeleine Roby Alcalor and people of Iriga City. Typhoon Rolly Relief Operations.
If there's one more gift I'd ask of you, Lord, it would be peace here on earth, as gentle as your children's laughter all around, all around.
Your people have grown weary
Distribute po kami ng tubig sa
from
lahat ng
living
constituents.
in confusion. When will we realize that neither heaven is at peace? When we live not in peace, if there's one I'd ask of you, as gentle as your children's laughter all around.